Ah! Marley, what's wrong? What has got you so upset? Oh, yeah, our friends are joining us. Are you a little nervous to talk in front of them? That's okay. Do you want to tell me what you're upset about and then I can share with our friends? Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Can you tell me a little bit more? Hmm. Okay. That's okay, buddy. So, Marley is very upset about the fact that they just feel overwhelmed. Is that a good summary? Okay, yeah, totally. So Marley feels really overwhelmed because there seems to be so many bad things happening in the world. There's so many problems to deal with that seem intractable. Ooh, that's a good word. Big problems that seem unsolvable. Yeah, I know, right? Sometimes the news or social media can feel really overwhelming because it's a lot of scary stuff that's happening. Is that kind of what's got you down? Too much social media, too much news all the time? It's important to know what's going on, right? But also, we have to take care of ourselves. And sometimes taking care of ourselves means understanding what we can control, the things that we can do something about, right? And the things that we can't have an impact on. And that can be really hard to let go of the things that we care about, the things that hurt us when we see other people hurting. But if there's absolutely nothing that we can do about that situation, then oftentimes, if we let ourselves get overwhelmed by that situation when there's nothing that we can do, it actually is detracting from our ability to do good in this world. Does that make sense? Okay, Marley's still a little confused. Okay, so basically, we can think about it like the serenity prayer. Grant me the grace to accept what I cannot change and change what I cannot accept. And that's a really, really good way to go about existing in this world. Because if we take care of ourselves and we focus on the things where we can have a positive impact, the areas where we can be kind and can spread love in this world, then we can truly make the world a better place. But if we're so caught up in all of the things that are going on that we're paralyzed by despair and we just are unable to show up for ourselves or show up for the people around us in our community, then we aren't really making the world a better place. We're just wallowing in our misery, and that's not fun for anybody, right? So it's really about figuring out, what do you care about, and plugging in and doing what you can to solve the problems in your life, to solve the problems in your community, to show up for the people in your life, and to show up for yourself. And so if you're feeling overwhelmed, that's okay. It means that you care, and that's really beautiful. And it means that you can truly make a difference. So find the thing that you can't accept and work on changing it. And know that there are lots of other helpers in this world that are working on all of the things that maybe you can't work on. So if we each plug in to our own little areas, we really can make the world a better place. All right. Does that help, Marley? All right. I'm glad that I could be of help. You know, it's really helpful to talk to you too, because it's a good reminder for myself. So thank you for your questions, and thank you for being vulnerable with me. I really appreciate it. All right. And thank you for joining us, friend. We will see you next time.